Familiarize yourself with the 2019 Toyota Land Cruiser. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, power front seats, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, skid plates, and cruise control. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 14 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Come on in and take a test drive.